Hi, this is Mark from CQ showing you job clusters. So most systems can schedule individual jobs, but where they fall apart is when you're managing hundreds of recurring visits across multiple locations. So when you're operating contract-based work at scale, the real challenge isn't just creating jobs, it's staying in control of when work is due, where it's happening, and when it's going to start. So here you can see you've got these different clusters down here. You've got your teams, their schedules, and you can use the filters and assign different teams, different people to see different people's schedules. And then here you can see we've got red, green and blue. So the red are the jobs that you're late on, green are what's due, and the blue ones are early. So when you set up in the system, you can set up that you need to go to specific jobs once every 2 weeks, once every month, and then the system will know whether you're running late or behind. So when you open this up, you can see here we're due. We can just pull that in, drop that into something, and then add that schedule directly from here. We can obviously come across, click on what's late, come across and see what we think. Is this the right team for that? Yes. Okay, we can drag that in and drop that straight in, so that's scheduled, and that will automatically then showcase for them on their apps. If you've got sometimes two different visits that need to be done at the same place and you can do them together, sometimes if it's a day's work, one's 8 hours, one's for 2 hours, you can drop and pull it into something and then allow it to absorb. If you absorb it and do both jobs at the same time but you just want to track on that 8 hours, you can do that as well. You can also, scrolling up, you can look at this on the map. So on the map, if you wanted to filter these via the map to see, right, we're going to go down here, we're going to check these different things, you can do. You can come in, open these up, see right here, and then automatically it will filter for you here. So when you come back onto the week view, you've got these 5 different locations, and then you can find a day. Let's say you know that you're going to do that on a day, and then you would then come across and pull those jobs automatically across and drag those in and then create those, or multiple days depending on how long they last each individually. You have got filters, so you can filter via categories across here by different service groups depending on what functions that you're doing, etc., and what teams that you want to filter. And of course you can scroll across to the next week, plan out the next week, so you can do multiple weeks worth of work in one. Now, this isn't how you create the actual schedules, and we've got a fantastic way of a wizard that we've built that lets you schedule hundreds of jobs within half an hour, but that's something separate and we can show you that individually. So if you're interested in seeing more and understanding more about this, please just book in a visit. There'll be a demo link in the description and you can come on and see, and we can go through and understand your business and showcase you through in a better way.